Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys the best shifter build in AOTR. You're gonna be doing rating like 2 minutes 41 seconds. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so starting off with the family, we've got Sheik, Fritz. You could also run Shiki with this one. You could also run Jaeger. Just that with Jaeger, you're probably gonna be like doing like 10 seconds extra. So yeah, barely any difference, but yeah. Alright guys, so starting off with the equipment, Thunder Spell obviously you do like way more damage with Thunder Spell, and it's very good for getting up very good for getting up your shifter by faster as well. For the skills, wait, let me put this skin back real quick. For the skills, we went all the way down, the defense, the support route went all the way down to the skill cooldown reduction side. So yeah, and for the damage route, and I just said the same thing, but yeah, just go all the way down to damage route. It's way better than any crit chance and all that. For the defense, we went all the way down the tanky side. Don't go the health side. Don't go to the health side, because I tried it before and it's really not the best. For the perks, we started with the body perk. We found this blessing, obviously. Have to go down for the first perk. The offense perk slot, we went with out of war. For the defense perk slot, we went with adaptation. Since I got afraid, I could basically run 2 of them, so I went with adaptation and immortal. So yeah, for the support perk slot, I went with, I can't pronounce that, but I went with this one basically, just because why not. And for the support, for the auto slot, since I got first, I went with 6 cents. You could also run Tashidin instead of this one if you want, but it's just you. And I just went with this one because why not? Tashidin barely gives you any. The buffs are like it's like the worst mythical perk, so still alright, but it's not like I'm gonna be on Thunder Spell all day. For the memories, I went with Gambler. I went with Quick Strike, the increased damage by 1.5, resets after reloading. I went with Apotheosis. I went with Flash Step. For this Flash Step, you could also run the what's that thing called? Fury Forge, but just because I don't have it, I had to go with just Flash Step, anything. By the way, memories do not stack, so if you're trying to like run 2 extra memories that do not stack, I tried it out, and yeah, they do not stack. So yeah, for the artifacts, we went with Scars and Scarf. For the Scars, I got shifted damage in 2 of the slots, so yeah. The Scarf, same thing as well, shifted damage, 2 of the slot, both slot. For attack mastery, it's self-explanatory, so. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, peace.